Audit support is an essential component of the auditing process that involves providing assistance, documentation, and collaboration to auditors during financial audits. This comprehensive essay aims to provide an in-depth understanding of audit support, its purpose, and the systems implemented to facilitate effective audits. We explore the fundamental concepts of audit support, the roles and responsibilities of auditors and auditees, and the importance of communication and cooperation during the audit process. Additionally, we delve into various systems and practices for audit support, including technology-based solutions, documentation management, internal controls, audit committees, collaboration, and continuous improvement. By comprehending the intricacies of audit support, organizations can enhance their audit readiness, streamline the audit process, and ensure compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. Things inside. Introduction. 1.1 Definition and purpose of audit support. 1.2 Importance and benefits of effective audit support. 1.3 Objectives of audit support. Roles and responsibilities in audit support. 2.1 Auditors, responsibilities and functions. 2.2 Auditees, roles and expectations. 2.3 Importance of collaboration and cooperation. Systems for audit support. A. Technology-based solutions. 3.1 Audit management systems, AMS. 3.1.1 Features and benefits of AMS. 3.1.2 Implementation and integration challenges. 3.2 Electronic document management systems, EDMS. 3.2.1 Role of EDMS in audit support. 3.2.2 Document storage, retrieval, and collaboration. 3.3 Data analytics and audit support. 3.3.1 Role of data analytics in auditing. 3.3.2 Utilizing data analytics tools for audit support. B. Documentation management. 3.4 Audit trail and documentation retention. 3.4.1 Importance and objectives of audit trail. 3.4.2 Best practices for documentation retention. 3.5 Financial documentation for audit support. 3.5.1 Types of financial documents. 3.5.2 Document organization and accessibility. C. Internal controls and audit support. 3.6 Importance of internal controls in auditing. 3.6.1 Role of internal controls in financial reporting. 3.6.2 Key control activities for audit support. 3.7 Segregation of duties and audit support. 3.7.1 Definition and importance of segregation of duties. 3.7.2 Segregation of duties in auditing. D. Role of audit committees. 3.8 Composition and responsibilities of audit committees. 3.8.1 Overview of audit committees. 3.8.2 Responsibilities for audit support. 3.9 Enhancing audit support through effective audit committees. 3.9.1 Collaboration and communication with audit committees. 3.9.2 Audit committees oversight role. Collaboration and communication in audit support. 4.1 Preparing for audits. 4.1.1 Organizing financial documentation. 4.1.2 Conducting internal audits. 4.2 during audits. 4.2.1 Providing timely and accurate information. 4.2.2 Addressing auditor queries and requests. 4.3 Post-audit follow-up. 4.3.1 Implementing audit recommendations. 4.3.2 Addressing findings and corrective actions. Continuous improvement in audit support. 5.1 Post-audit evaluation and lessons learned. 5.1.1 Assessing audit process and outcomes. 5.1.2 Identifying areas for improvement. 5.1.3 Implementing changes for future audits. 5.2 Training and skill development. 5.2.1 Enhancing audit support capabilities. 5.2.2 Staying updated with audit practices and regulations. 5.3 Auditing standards and frameworks. 5.3.1 International standards on auditing, ISA. 5.3.2 Generally accepted auditing standards, GAAS. 5.3.3 Compliance with auditing frameworks. Challenges and best practices in audit support. 6.1 Challenges in audit support. 6.1.1 Data accessibility and accuracy. 6.1.2 Resource constraints. 6.1.3 Time management and deadlines. 6.2 Best practices for effective audit support. 6.2.1 Proactive preparation and organization. 6.2.2 Clear documentation and record keeping. 6.2.3 Collaboration and communication. 6.2.4 Continuous learning and improvement. Conclusion. Please note that the above provides an outline of the main sections. Let's discuss the audit support, understanding concepts and systems for effective auditing. Introduction. Audit support is a critical component of the auditing process that involves providing assistance and documentation to auditors to ensure accurate and reliable financial reporting. This essay aims to provide a comprehensive understanding of audit support, its purpose, and the systems implemented to facilitate the audit process. We explore the fundamental concepts of audit support, the roles and responsibilities of auditors and auditees, and the importance of effective communication and collaboration during audits. Additionally, we delve into various systems and practices for audit support, including the use of technology, documentation management, internal controls, and the role of audit committees. By comprehending the intricacies of audit support, organizations can enhance their audit preparedness, streamline the auditing process, and maintain compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. Understanding audit support. A definition and purpose. Audit support, assistance and documentation provided to auditors during the audit process. Purpose of audit support, facilitating accurate financial reporting, ensuring compliance, and enhancing audit effectiveness. B. Roles and responsibilities. Auditors, independent professionals responsible for examining and evaluating financial records. Auditees, entities or individuals subject to auditing, including organizations and individuals. See importance of effective audit support. Compliance, meeting legal and regulatory requirements. Accuracy and reliability, ensuring the integrity of financial statements. Efficiency, streamlining the audit process. Risk mitigation, identifying and addressing potential audit issues. 2. Systems for audit support. A. Technology-based audit support. Audit management systems, AMS. A. Features and functions of AMS. B. Benefits of using AMS for audit support. Electronic document management systems, EDMS. A. Role of EDMS in audit support. B. Document storage, retrieval, and collaboration. Data analytics and audit support. A. Role of data analytics in auditing. B. Use of data analytics tools for audit support. B. Documentation management. Audit trail and documentation retention. A. Importance of audit trail. B. Best practices for documentation retention. Financial documentation for audit support. A. Types of financial documents. B. Document organization and accessibility. C. Internal controls and audit support. Importance of internal controls in auditing. A. Role of internal controls in financial reporting. B. Key control activities for audit support. Segregation of duties. A. Definition and importance of segregation of duties. B. Segregation of duties and audit support. D. Role of audit committees. Composition and responsibilities of audit committees. A. Overview of audit committees. B. Responsibilities for audit support. Enhancing audit support through effective audit committees. A. Collaboration and communication with audit committees. B. Audit committees' oversight role. 3. Collaboration and communication in audit support. A. Auditee-auditor collaboration. Preparing for audits. A. Organizing financial documentation. B. Conducting internal audits. During audits. A. Providing timely and accurate information. B. Addressing auditor queries and requests. Post-audit follow-up. A. Implementing audit recommendations. B. Addressing findings and corrective actions. The effective communication in audit support. Clear and transparent communication. A. Importance of clear communication channels. B. Communicating expectations and requirements. Professionalism and cooperation. A. Building a positive working relationship. B. Resolving conflicts and issues. 4. Continuous improvement in audit support. A. Post-audit evaluation and lessons learned. Assessing audit process and outcomes. Identifying areas for improvement. Implementing changes for future audits. B. Training and skill development. Enhancing audit support capabilities. Staying updated with audit practices and regulations. See auditing standards and frameworks. International Standards on Auditing, ISA. Generally Accepted Auditing Standards, GAAS. Compliance with auditing frameworks. V. Challenges and best practices in audit support. 8 challenges in audit support. Data accessibility and accuracy. Resource constraints. Time management and deadlines. B. Best practices for effective audit support. Proactive preparation and organization. Clear documentation and record keeping. Collaboration and communication. Continuous learning and improvement. VI. Conclusion. Effective audit support is crucial for ensuring accurate financial reporting, compliance with regulations, and efficient audit processes. By understanding the concepts and systems of audit support, organizations can enhance their audit preparedness, streamline audit procedures, and foster effective communication and collaboration with auditors. Embracing technology, implementing sound documentation management practices, establishing robust internal controls, and engaging with audit committees are key components of effective audit support. Continuous improvement, professional communication, and adherence to auditing standards further contribute to successful audit support, enabling organizations to maintain transparency, mitigate risks, and achieve their financial and compliance objectives.